Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 3, lesson 3, doubles. Please open your book, page 117, and let's start.
Carlos and Elisa each have the same number of books. They each have more than 5 books. How many books do they have in all? Show your thinking below.
So let's agree on one thing. When we say double, that means the exact number repeated. So if I say I have exactly 5 and my friend has double what I have, that means my friend has 10. That means another 5. It's like when you stand in front of the mirror and you, for example, raise 4 fingers. So you have 4 fingers on the other side. You put your 10 fingers up. So you see your mirror, 10 fingers up. That's called double. Let's see.
You can use doubles facts to help you add. Let's look at some doubles facts that you may know. Here are ways we can show these facts. How do the connecting cubes show the doubles facts?
Each cube represents one number. So when I have 2 sets of the cubes, that's 3 plus 3. This is in the first example. And for the second examples, I have 5 cubes for each addend or for each part. That's mean doubled. And of course, when you see it, you can see that they're all the same size.
Each cube tower shows one of the addends. How can you count by 2s to help you find the sum of each doubles fact? You can count by 2s as many times as one of the addends. You can represent the doubles fact 6 plus 6 the same way. How many cubes are in each tower?
Select your answer.
All right, so it's doubles fact 6. That's mean 6 plus 6. That's mean each tower or each side have 6 cubes. So which one? Very good.
There are 6 cubes in each tower. How can you find how many cubes are in both towers?
You look and you see that each cube in each tower have a partner. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's one way.
You can count the cubes by 2s. There are 12 cubes. What do you notice about the sum for this doubles fact? It is twice or double the number for each addend. Now look at this set of cubes. How many cubes are in the first tower? How many cubes are in the second tower? There are 6 cubes in the first tower and 5 cubes in the second tower. Is 6 plus 5 equals 11 a doubles fact? Explain.
Remember, we agreed that when I say a double fact, that's mean my 2 addends are the same. So the same number added twice. But as we look here, I have 1 tower or 1 addend is 6, and the second one is 5. So they're not repeated. They're not the same. So this is not a double fact.
No, this is not a doubles fact because the addends are not the same number.
This isn't a doubles fact.
Now you know how to use doubles facts to help you add.
All right, let's see the exercise we have. Okay. Page 118. Decide if the cubes show a doubles fact, circle your answer. Then write an equation to match the cubes. So we have 2 sets of the cubes, and we're gonna either circle if it's a double fact, that means both towers or both columns or both sides are the same, Or if it's not a doubles fact, that means one is longer or one is shorter. So let's see number one. We have the word doubles fact and not doubles fact. And we're going to circle the right answer. I see in the first tower, 5. I have 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second towers or the second column or the second add-in, I have a different number. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 cubes or 6 counters. That means this is not a double fact because I know double fact means my both add-in or my both part in my equation are the same. So either it should be 5 plus 5 or 6 plus 6. So this is not a doubles fact. So this is the right answer. We circle this one. All right, let's go for number 2. I know and I can see. That's why it's nice when you see them in your cubes because it helps you to see if you answer right or wrong. I have 2 sides or 2 towers. I need to count to find out how many in each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my first tower has 4 counters or 4 cubes. Let me do the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we have the same number. So when I look at this, I know that this is doubles fact because both add-ins are the same. Same number, I'm going to add it twice. So I'm going to circle my right answer. It's doubles fact. And I can add it. 4 plus 4. Very good. Equals 8. All right. Let's do together one more exercise and I'll leave you with the rest. All right, number 3. The side of each set of cubes shows a doubles fact. Circle your answer. Write an equation to match the cubes. Exactly what we did before. I have 2 sets of rows of cubes and I have to see if they are doubles fact or not doubles fact. Well, I don't want to really count like kindergarten or little one. I know now I'm in the first grade and I can skip counting. I want to do something new. So I'm going to say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12. I know my double facts. Let's count again. Let's see how many in each row. 2, 2, 4, 6. Now I know I have 6 in one row and I can tell the second row exact size, not more, not less. But I want to double check. So I had the first one 6 and if this doubles, this one also should be 6. Let's try 2, 4, 6. So to me, this is a doubles fact. And it's 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. It's super easy. I know 6 plus 6, double 6, 12. All right. So it's fun. I'll leave you. Enjoy it and see you next lesson. Bye-bye. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. Today is lesson 4, topic 3, doubles plus. Remember the previous lesson? We talked about doubles facts. We know that when I say doubles facts means my 2 add-ins are the same. And that means I have the same number twice. Today, we're going to use the doubles fact, help us to understand and solve problems doubles plus. Let's try and start.
Carlos and Emily each pick 5 strawberries. What doubles fact shows how many strawberries they have in all? If Emily picks 1 more strawberry, how could you find how many strawberries in all?
All right. I know this is 2 parts, so let me read again. Carlos and Emily each pick 5 strawberries. All right, so I'm going to put 5 strawberries in each side. So Carlos will have 5 counters in yellow. And then Emily, I'll give her a different color. So I'm gonna give Emily 5 counters represent the strawberries that she picked. All right, this is the first part. So that's easy. That's doubles fact. I have 5 and 5. All right. Now, if Emily picks one more strawberry, how would you find how many strawberries in all? I know that this is my doubles facts, which is 5 and 5. 5 plus 5, easy, 10. But now Emily has one more. So I'm going to put one more for Emily here. So now it's 5 plus 6. But before Emily picked one more, both of my friends picked 5 strawberries each. So 5 plus 5, that's 10, plus 1, the extra one that Emily just added to her basket. I know 5 plus 5 doubles fact. 5, that's 10, plus 1 equals 11. So that's one way. Let's see what we have.
You can use doubles plus facts to add. Is this a doubles fact? No, it is not a doubles fact. Why?
Because the two addends not the same.
One reason is that both numbers being added are not the same. What is the difference between 6 and 7? The difference is 1. So, this fact is one more than a double, or a doubles plus fact. Doubles plus facts are also called near doubles. You take the lesser number and make a doubles fact. Which addend is less, 6 or 7? Select your answer.
Very good.
Six is less. Double the 6. What is double 6? Select your answer.
Remember, double 6? Very good.
Double 6 is 12. What do you have to do to 6 plus 6 to find 6 plus 7? You have to add 1. Why do you add 1? 7 is 1 more than 6. 6 plus 7 is 6 plus 6 and 1 more. What is the sum for 6 plus 6? The sum is 12. So 6 plus 7 is 12 and 1 more. What is 1 more than 12? 12 and 1 more is 13. How do you know 6 plus 7 is a doubles plus fact? One reason is the addends are one number apart from each other. What is the sum of 6 plus 7? The sum is 13. You have learned how to use doubles to add near doubles.
So As we see, that's why we had fun with the previous lesson, learning doubles facts, because it will help us to get to near doubles or doubles plus. So we have 6 plus 6. I know double 6. That means adding 6 twice is 12. And I know 6 plus 7. I know my second addend, the 7 is 1 more. So that's mean 12 plus 1 more, which is 13. All right, let's see the examples we have here. Add the doubles, then use the doubles facts to help you solve the doubles plus facts. Remember, either near doubles or doubles plus. They're both are the same. All right, so what do we have here? We need to use a doubles fact. That means the number added twice. So I know that I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 purple cubes, and I have another set of 5 purple cubes with 2 more. So I'm going to put this 2 on the side for now, and I'm just going to add the doubles, the same numbers of the same color. So I have 5 in the first row and 5 for the second row. So that's my doubles fact. 5 plus 5, I know it's 10. Now I know that the second addend in my equation has 2 more. 2 more mean 5 plus 2. I know also my numbers, I know how to add. So 5 plus 2, that's 7. So 5 plus 2, 7. So that's mean 5 plus 7 equals 12. That's mean I'm adding 2 more for my doubles. So since doubles facts for 5 is 10, if I added 2 more, that's 12. All right, let's see number 2. What do we have here? Let's count. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. And I have here 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is doubles facts 8 plus 8. I'm going to say 8 plus 8. And I know my doubles facts, so 8 plus 8, easy, 16. Right? So now I use a doubles fact to be able to answer the rest of the equation. It's not over yet. But I have one more cube over there, the orange cube. So what I'm going to do, that's mean this 8 plus 1, or my sum plus 1 more. So now let me write my equation. 8, that's the first row, plus 8 plus 1, 1 more than 8 is 9. So 8 plus 9, since I know 8 plus 8, 16. 8 plus 9 means 1 more. 1 more than 16 is 17. Awesome. Remember, it's all what you need to do. Just work hard with your doubles facts, and then you're going to find that near doubles or doubles plus really easy. Let's do one more exercise. Okay. Page 123, question number 3. 7 plus 7. I still have to add the doubles, then use the doubles facts to help to solve the doubles plus facts or near doubles. So 7 plus 7, that means my 2 addends are the same. This is doubles, and I know doubles 7 is 14. So I'm going to write 14. Okay. Now I have 8 plus 7. As you see, my first addend added 1 more. So that means 1 more than 14. I used first the doubles fact to help me answer my near doubles or doubles plus. So 14, 8 is 1 more than 7. That means my sum, my total, my answer will be 1 more. So 1 more than 14 is 15. Awesome. So you have the same. You can have near doubles, either 1 number or 2 numbers. All right. That's it for today, first graders. Have fun and enjoy the rest of the activity. Bye-bye. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still in topic 3 in today's lesson, lesson 5. For this topic, remember, we learn how to count on to add, we use double fact, we use number line, and we use doubles plus. Today, we're gonna make 10 to add. So let's start.
Andy says that he can find 9 plus 5 by starting with 9 plus 1 equals 10. What do you think about Andy's way? Show your work and explain.
All right, for today, we're gonna use something called the 10 frames, or try to make 10 because it's always easy to add big numbers if you have 10 and another number. So let's see what we have.
You can make a 10 to help you add. How many red counters are there?
Five and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There are 7 red counters. How many yellow counters are there?
Select your answer.
Do we have 3 or 4 yellow counters? Very good.
There are 4 yellow counters. Why are there 7 red counters and 4 yellow counters? The addition problem is 7 plus 4. The red counters are the 7 in the addition problem. The yellow counters are the 4 in the addition problem. Look at the 10 frame. How can you make a 10 with the counters that are shown?
Select your answer.
All right. I know that this is my 10 frames, and I know there are 7 of the 10 frames are 7 boxes are full with that red counters. And I have 1, 2, 3 empty boxes. So what I need to do, I need to move the yellow counters to close and fill my 10 frame to say that it's 10 frame. So do I need to move 1 yellow counter, 2 yellow counters, 3 or 4? I know that I have 3 empty boxes. That's mean 3 yellow counters. So let's see if our answer is right.
Move 3 counters from the 4 to the 7. Now you have 10 and 1. Why is it helpful to make a 10 in the 10 frame? You know how to add with 10. What addition problem does the 10 frame show now? It shows 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is the same as 7 plus 4. What is the sum of 10 and 1? The sum is 11. How is 10 plus 1 like 7 plus 4? The sums are the same. Why are the sums the same? One answer is 10 is 3 more than 7. 1 is 3 less than 4. 10 plus 1 equals 11, so 7 plus 4 equals 11.
The sums are the same.
How do the 10 frames show that the sums of 10 plus 1 and 7 plus 4 are the same? The counters are arranged differently, but the total number of counters stayed the same. You have learned how to make 10 to help you add.
All right, let's have some of the exercise. to practice what we just learned. All right. Draw counters to make 10, then write the sums. So we have two addends in my equation or my question or my problem. I have 7 and I have 6. I know that having a 10 frame will help me to answer this and answer it right. So I have the 10 frames. I'm going to put my first addend, the 7. So I put the 7 counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I have 6. So if I have the 6 down here, I need to fill the 3 empty boxes in my 10 frames. So I'm going to move 3 counters from outside inside the 10 frames to fill all the 10 frames. So now I have 10, as you see. And how many outside? 3. So that's how we're going to do it. 10 plus 3 equals easy. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. Going back to my original question or my equation, 7 plus 6. Remember, I did not do anything different. All what I did, I just moved them inside that trim frame. So now it's 7 plus 6 equals same sum, the same, 13. So 10 plus 3, 13. So 7 plus 6, 13. All right, let's work with this one. Number 2, 8 plus 6. This is my 10 frame. I put inside 8 counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 6. So I'm gonna put my 6 counters outside. All right, I know the rules. I need to fill the empty boxes. So how many empty boxes do I have in my 10 frame? 2. So let me move to here. This one and this one, I moved it inside here. So now I have 10. And how many counters outside? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 plus 4. Remember, these are not outside anymore. They're all in. So I have 10 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. That's mean 8 plus 6, my original, my first problem part, 8 plus 6, gonna be the same, 14. Because I didn't do anything. All what I did, I used 10 frames, fill the empty boxes, and help me to add it. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. That means 8 plus 6 also equal 14. All right, let's do one more question. All right, page 127. Draw counters to make 10, then write the sums. 7 plus 8. So I have my 10 frames. I have 7 in my 10 frames, and I need to have the 8 outside. I know the rules. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fill the empty boxes in my 10 frames and count the counters that left for me outside. So I have 7, and I need to have 8. Let me put my 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I have my 7. I have 3 empty boxes. I need to move 3 from my counters inside the 10 frames to have full 10 frame. So this is my 3. I'm gonna just make them align so we know that we use them and they're not exist anymore. And I'm gonna put them inside here. So now I have 10. See, my 10 frame is full. So I have 10, that's your 10. And how many counters outside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, 10 plus 5. So 7, that was my first addend. 8 was my second addend. I put the counters for 8s outside. I took 3 to fill the empty 3 boxes. That's why I only took 3, because I have only 3 empty boxes. And then I have the rest of the counters outside. So now I have full 10. Here's the 10. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have my 5. Now 10 plus 5, easy, 15. Awesome. So that's mean 7 plus 8. Very good, 15. Awesome, first graders. So that was today's lesson. We used the 10 frames. You know what we need to do. We have the first addend, you put the counters inside your 10 frames, and then the second addend, or the second part of your equation, you're gonna fill the empty boxes and then count 10 and how many left went outside. All right, I'll leave you to have fun with the rest of the activity. That's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 3, lesson 6. So let's start page 129. Today, we're going to make 10 to add numbers to 20. We did this in a previous lesson and we used the 10 frames. Today, we're going to continue, have more exercise, making 10, but we will go back to our open number line. So let's see what we have.
How can you make 10 to solve the addition fact 8 plus 5? Show your work and explain.
In the previous lesson, we did make 10 by using the 10 frames, filling the counters, make sure all the 10 frames are filled, and then count how many outside. So it was 10 plus what's left outside. Today, we're going to make 10, but we're not going to use the 10 frame. We're going to use the open number line.
You can make 10 to help you add 9 plus 7. Which number in this addition equation is closer to 10?
Select your answer.
Which number you think is closer to 10? If I add, it's going to be 10. I can add 1 to the 9, and it's going to be 10. Or I can add 3 to the 7. So which one is closer? Very good.
Nine is closer to 10. How can that help you find 9 plus 7? Since 9 is only 1 away from 10, you can start adding by making a 10. You can use a number line to help you make 10. What number do you add to 9 to make 10? You add 1 to make 10, then add 6 more. Why do you add 6 to 10?
Because 6 plus 1 equals 7. And this is my second add-in, 7.
You add 6 to 10 because 1 and 6 are parts of 7, and you have already added 1. What are two addition problems shown on the number line?
Select your answer.
So is it 9 plus 6 equals 15 and 15 plus 1 equals 16? Or 9 plus 1 equals 10 and 10 plus 6 equals 16? As you see, plus 6. Or 9 plus 1 equals 10 and then 10 plus 7 equals 17. Very good.
The two addition problems are 9 plus 1 equals 10 and 10 plus 6 equals 16. To make a 10 to add, you can think about 9 plus 7 as 9 plus 1 plus 6. How do you know that 9 plus 7 is equal to 9 plus 1 plus 6?
Because I know 1 plus 6 equals 7. That's mean 9 plus 7. And my equation, 9 plus 7.
You know they are equal because 7 is equal to 1 plus 6. So, what is 9 plus 1 plus 6? It is 16. So, 9 plus 7 equals how many? It is 16. Now you know how to use a number line to help you make 10 to add numbers.
All right. It might look like a bit challenging, but honestly, super easy. All what you need to just pay attention that you need to make 10. It's exactly like when we use the 10 frames, but in this lesson, we're using the open line number line because we can jump as much as we skipping numbers, or you can go one by one. So let's see what we have. All right, make 10, find the sum. Use the number line to help you. So we have the number line here. My equation or my problem is 8 plus 6. Now I'm thinking that what number is closer to 10? I know if I add 2 to the 8, they're going to be 10. And if I wanted to make 6, 10, I have to add 4. So that's mean my first choice is right. So 8 plus 2 to make 10. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Right? So that means I jumped 2 jump here. So this is 8 plus 2. Now I'm in 10. I'm going to write here plus 2. All right. Remember, my second addend is 6. I already took 2 from the 6. So how many left? 4, because I know 2 plus 4 equals 6. So this is a 10. I need to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to have my big step or my big jump and land on 14. And that's 4 steps or 4 counts. So it's 8 plus 6, but I broke my 6. I broke it 2 jumps, 1 small 2 and 1 big 4. So it's 8 plus 2. I made the 10 because I know it's easy to count with the 10. And then I added the 4 left from the 6. So 10 plus 4, 14. Going back to my first part of my question, 8 plus 6, don't forget, 8 plus 6 equals 14, and I have to put my answer. So over here, I used the number line. All right, let's see another exercise. All right, you have here the number line. Try to use a pencil so you can use it for all your problems, all the questions you have. 7 plus 8. So we can do, remember what we need to do, we need to make 10. So which number? I'm going to use 7. I can say 7 plus 3 equals 10. So see, they're making a big mark for you for 10 here to know that you need to do 10, because that's what my lesson about. I'm making 10, but instead of using the 10 frame, I'm using the number line. So 7 plus what? Give me 10. All right, this is my 7. Very good. 7 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add here 3. So this is my second addend. I took 3 from the second addend. I took 3 from the 8. So let me put first my 3 here. So now the 8, it's 5. Exactly. So I need to add 5 more. And let's see where I'm going to land. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make my big jump to 15 because that's 5 more. And why it's 5 more? Because I know 3 plus 5 equals 8. So I'm going to write here plus 5. So now 10 plus, this is my 10, plus 5 equals 15. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Again, my two addends, 7 and 8. I added 3 from the 8 to make 10, and I used my number line. So I start from 7, and I count how many steps. I found that I need 3 to make 10. So I add 3. This 3, I took it from the 8. Exactly like if you remember the 10 frames, when you have the 10 frames and you have the second addend, so 7 will be in your 10 frames and we have 3 empty boxes. We're going to take 3 counters from the second addend to fill the 3 empty boxes to have 10. That's exactly what we're doing, but we're using that 10 frame, the number line. So now I have 10. That's what I have here. So I go step by step. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now, this is my 10 up there. How many I have from the 8? It's exactly how many counters in the 10 frames in the previous lesson, how many counters were remaining outside. So it's the same, but I'm using here my number line. So how many I count? They're 5. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Back again to my first equation. So 7 plus 8, don't forget, you need to answer here, equals 15. All right. All right. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity. Have fun and enjoy. That's it for today, first graders. Thank you.